Hi, welcome to the video on theory of computation. This is video lecture series number 3. My name is Hira Shine and today I am going to tell you about DFA and many examples we will deal with examples and problems based on DFA. Okay, so first of all I would like to tell you that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, subscribe my channel, and if you like my videos don't forget to hit the like button. And now I am starting the topic. Let's take an example. I had taken this example in the last video also. We'll see its DFA now. So suppose sigma is given. Sigma is what? Alphabet A comma B, and your language is given that set of all strings which starts with A. So what are the strings which can start with A? It can be only A, AA, AB, AAB, ABA, AAA, and so on. So it is clear that it is infinite language. Now, if we want to draw its DFA, then how we can draw? I had told you for initial state we will use this symbol, a circle with this arrow, and let's name this state as Q0. Now we have to show that this strings can be acceptable by the DFA. Okay, so what is its basic things which is common in all this? So you see that it always has at least one A, which is beginning from 1A. So we have to see at least one A, and after seeing one A, it can go to final state. Let's name it as QF. QF, and make it final state. Why I am making it final state? Because it accepts single A also and it can reach to final state. We have to show this also. Now, even if this string comes, then also we want to show that it goes to final state. So we can make it like this also, that after A, if again A comes, it goes to final state. Okay, this is, then you have to make another state names QF1, QF2. Okay, but this is not the minimal DFA. I'll talk to you what is minimal DFA. Minimal DFA means we have to make the states as less as possible. Okay, as less as possible. And what we are making? We are making 3 states. Just to accept these 2 strings A and AA, we are making 3 states. But we can use minimize our states, and we can show that this both 2 strings can be accepted by that. How? I can write Q0 initial, and this A, and QF is final, and this is final state. And after that I can do like this, that on seeing A, it again goes to QF, and looking at many A's, even if we look at many A's, it will remain in the final state. What I meant to say that even if any strings which starts with A can go to final state. Our language was set of all strings which starts with A, so it has to see at least one A, then it reaches to final state, and after that it can see any A or B. Even if it sees B, it will go to final state. Anything after A. And if at the beginning, if the strings with BA, BB, BBB, BAAA, if anything which starts with B we have to show that it is not acceptable, it is rejected. Then how we can show this strings? We can take another transition on B from Q0. Since Q0 is the initial state, we will take another transition from Q0 and make it another state called dead state. That from Q0 to B, it will go to dead state. What is dead state? Dead state is that state which doesn't go to, which is not reachable to final state. That is known as dead state. And we want to show that these are the strings which starts with B should go to dead state. Now, for DFA, we have to show at every step state where it is going from that also. If it sees from here, at this state also, if it sees any A or B, after looking 1B from initial state, if it sees any A or B, it will go to dead state. We have shown here from Q0 on seeing A and on seeing B, both the transitions I have shown here from Q0. QF also we have shown both the transition A and B. QF, on QF, if it sees any A, any number of A, any number of B, it will go to final state. Okay. But at D, if it will see any number of A or any number of B after looking 1B from the initial state, it will go to dead state. What this means? These symbols, these A, B, it all will go to this side, and this all will go to this side. Okay. B, starting the strings which starts with the B will go to dead state, strings which start with A will go to final state. And after that, anything which comes over there, this is called loop. Okay, when it comes at QF, if it sees any A, any number of B, it will go to its own state, the same state, final state. Okay, so this is minimal DFA. Don't use this diagram. I will show you many examples. You will understand it definitely. Okay. So just follow my steps. We have to show like this for a set of all strings which start with A. And also make a note of it that this is dead state. Okay. This is D. D for dead state. You can name it anything, but I am writing it as D. D means dead state. This is not final state. Don't think that this is double circle. This is single circle, and I have written its state name as D. So I am erasing it. Note it down. Okay, and let's move on. Now let's see this problem. This question says that construct a DFA that accepts all strings over AB of length 2. Accepts all strings over AB. AB means what is it? A comma B it is given as alphabet. Alphabet, it means your sigma is what? A comma B, and you have to accept all strings over A of length 2. It means what is your language? Language is AA, AB, BA. What are the strings that will be present in the language? AA, AB, BA, BB. That is set of all strings of length 2. Okay. So now we have to construct its DFA. So for constructing DFA, what we have to do? We have to make one initial state. Now we have to show that it accepts at least 2 symbols everywhere, A, AB, BA, BB. So what we have to make? 1A and also 1A. Then it reaches to final state. This is initial state, this is final state. So make it Q0, this is Q1 and this is QF. This, from this diagram, what you can say that what is the string? It accepts AA, but you have to show that it accepts AB also. So for AB, what you can do is it starts with A, and the next symbol it has to see B. First symbol it has to say E, but second symbol it has to see B. So here we can write comma B. Means starting with A and it can see A also, second symbol as A or second symbol as B. Both way it reaches to final state. Because I am taking this two only. Okay. At this moment I am taking this two strings only, AA or AB. We can take two ways also. We can write like this also, that it sees Q0, Q1 and goes here and here, A, B, and make this QF1 and QF2. But no need to make two states. We have to make the minimal DFA. That's why I am writing like this, comma. We can write like this, it is perfectly fine. Okay. So AA or AB, both will be accepted by this DFA. This is not DFA, this is FA. I will show you proper whole diagram, then you will understand that this is the DFA. So I am erasing this. And now I have to do for this also. So for this, what I have to write, that the first symbol is B. So we can write here by putting comma B. So if the first symbol is B and the second symbol is A, then also it will accept this string BA. And if the first symbol is B and the second symbol is B, then also it will be B. First symbol B and second symbol B, it will accept the string. If first symbol is B, second symbol is A, then also it will reaches to final state. If first symbol is A and second symbol is A, then also it reaches the final state. If first symbol is A and second symbol is B, then also it reaches the final state. Then after that, we have shown at Q0 where it goes at A or B. At both the cases, it goes to Q1. At Q1 also, at Q1, if it sees A, it goes to QF, and if it sees B, then also it goes to QF. But I haven't shown you yet where it will go if it sees any more symbols after this. Means now AB, if it sees more A, means suppose if it sees after looking A, B, if it come across with another A, or A, B, till then it is okay, perfectly fine, it is fine. But if it sees another B or more B, what it has to do? It has to reject these strings, because in your language it is given that it has to accept all strings over AB of length 2 only. So what we have to do here, we have to make one state as dead state and show that after looking more symbols, more than 2 symbols, it will go to dead state. Dead state means it will not go to final state. From dead state, if any string comes at this point, it will not go to final state, it will not reach to final state, it will remain in the dead state. What we have to write here again, at D also we have to show that where it will go on looking AB, because we have to show at each state, we have to show that look on every symbols in the alphabet, we have to show its transition, so it will remain in the dead state. Means after looking 2A or 2B or any combination of 2AB, anything other than this will go to dead state. Okay, A B, B A, B B, it will go to final state. But anything other than this, suppose A, this A, it will go to dead state. Means it is not acceptable, it is rejected. A, B, B, it will go to dead state. Here A comma B means either A or B. A comma B means either A or B. Not both A, B. It is A comma B. Okay. So at Q0 it can either see A or B. Either A or B or either A or B, and it will reach to final state. And any symbols after that will go to dead state, which is not reachable to final state. So these are those strings which will form here will be rejected by this DFA. So this is the minimal DFA for the given problem. Okay. So let's see some more problems. Its question says that construct a DFA over AB of length at least 2. Over AB means it is alphabet given, sigma is given as A comma B, and your language says that set of all strings of length at least 2. All strings of alphabet is only this A comma B, means you have to make a string of only these two symbols A and B, and its length is at least 2. At least 2 means it should have at least 2 symbols. It can have more than 2 symbols, but at least 2. And after that A, B, B, A, B, 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 A, and so on. But it has to see at least these things, at least 2 symbols. Okay, and 2 symbols should be made up of these two strings of length 2, in which the symbols are only A, B. So now we have to construct its DFA. Again, the basic things will remain same. In the last video we had discussed this type of question, but there it was given that the length of the strings should be 2 only. But here at least 2. It means it can see more than 2 also. Those strings are also acceptable. Those strings should also reach to final states. So what we have to make the changes now, that after seeing A or B at the first symbol, even if sees A or B, it will go to another state Q1, and from this A comma B it will go to final state. Till now what it shows that if it sees A, B or BA or BB, it will go to final state. Now we have to show that even after this symbols, if it looks any more symbols of A or B, it will go to final state. So now what we have to write here, make a loop here, and transition will again come back to QF. Okay, so what it shows here, it shows that even if it sees A, B, B, or A or A, it will go to final state. So again, this is the minimal DFA. Why I am writing like this? Because we want the less state. You can make this or like this also, that after this, if it says A or B, it will go to final state. But we have to make the QF1, QF2, but we no need to make these things. We have to show that these are going to final state. So why make another state? Just make a single final state, QF1, sorry, QF. QF, and make a loop over this and write A comma B. Means even if it says any number of A's, any number of B's, after these two symbols, it will go to final state. So this is minimal DFA for this question. Okay, so let's see another question. Let's see, in the same question I am changing this question, that here length was mentioned that length should be at least 2. If it is given that length should be at most 2, then at most 2. Then what will be the strings in your language? What does this mean? At most 2 means it can have no symbols also. This is represented by epsilon. This is known as epsilon. And A also, B also, AB also, BA also, or AA also, AB, BB also. Only this much. In the previous question where it was given that at least 2, the language was infinite, but here the language is finite. I had told you what is the difference between finite language or infinite language, and in the previous question what I had given you, that should be length should be just 2. First one, length 2 means I can write like this. We can write string, we say strings word also. So in the first question your length of your word was 2. In the second question, length of your word is greater than equal to 2, and here in this question your length of your word is less than equal to 2. We are doing this question. This question, what it says, that your length of word should be less than equal to 2. In the first question we had discussed that length of word is 2, just 2, equal to 2. And in the previous question we had done, second question, it says that the length of word was at least 2, means it should be greater than equal to 2. And in this question it says that at most 2. So what here it says that length of word is less than equal to 2. So I am erasing here now. Less than equal to 2 means it can accept nothing also. This is denoted by epsilon. Epsilon means null, nothing, null string. Okay, no any string. Then also it reaches to final state. And this 1A or 1B, or A followed by B, B followed by A followed by A, B followed by B. A means A followed by A. AB means A followed by B. BA means B followed by A. BB means B followed by B. Okay. So this says that its first symbol is A, second symbol is A. First symbol is A, second symbol is B. First symbol is B, second symbol is A. First symbol is B, second symbol is B. So now let's make its DFA. So whenever your language contains epsilon, then remember it or make a point that what we have to do, we have to make the initial state also as your final state. This is your initial state as well as your final state, Q0. Why? Because without accepting anything, it reaches to final state. Make a note of it whenever it says that it accepts null string also, means without accepting anything, it has to reach the final state. Then you have to make the initial state as final state also. Now, for accepting A or B, you have to write A comma B. Then also it reaches to final state. So make final state here also. And for accepting two symbols also, A comma B, you have to make the final state. So QF1, QF2. Okay. So this final state will show that it accepts epsilon. This final state shows that it accepts A or B. Means it accepts A also, it accepts B also. This final state will show initial state is this only. So what it will accept, how it can reach here? Either AA or AB or BA or BB. AA, AB, BA, BB. Any of these strings, if it sees any of these strings, then only it reaches to final state. And after that, it does not, it will not see. So we had shown here also, but I had not shown you where it will go from here. So make a dead state here now, because it has to reject all these strings, AAA, AAB, ABA, anything more than this two symbols it has to reject. Okay, so I have to make a transition here also at dead state, that it will, if it sees more symbols A, B, it all has to be rejected. All will go to dead state. Okay, so these are dead states. These strings will not be accepted by this automata. So this is the DFA for this question. So that's all for today. We'll see in the next video more problems. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it now. If you subscribe my channel, you will get the links of my new uploaded videos automatically. And if you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.